Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. All right, guys, so here we are inside Cricut Design Space, and I have already uploaded my print here, which is here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Canvas. And again, I will link in the description where I purchased this from. And you can see that it comes in super small. It comes in at a 45 by 70 inch, but we're going to make that a lot smaller. So since we want to leave a little bit of room, I'm going to do 11.5 by 11.5. That's what size my size is going to be, because we do have that we do want to leave a little bit of room around there so that it prints nicely around the 12 by 12. Okay, so like I was telling you, inside Cricut Design Space, they don't have a white color as far as drawing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Operation, and you're going to change this from a basic cut to a pen. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. Now when you click on color, when you go down and look at all the colors, there is no white as an option. Okay, and it doesn't matter, because it doesn't matter what color you select here. It only matters what color pen you put in your cutting machine. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, now that we've changed that to pen, we're not doing any cutting. It's only going to draw this on our cardstock. We're going to click on Make It. All right, so there we have it. And it looked like it's pretty centered on there for me, so I don't need to make any changes. So we're going to go ahead and click Continue. And this cardstock that we're using, I'm going to put this in the medium category. Take a look and see if it has, if it actually has the weight on here. Give me one moment. Okay, I've taken the front sheet off, so I don't see the actual size on here or the thickness on here. So I'm going to go with medium cardstock. I think that'll be fine. And it tells you to load your black pen into your clamp A, but we're going to be putting the white jelly roll pen, and we don't have to worry about it cutting anything. It's only going to print for us. So, or not print, but draw for us. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and end, and I'm going to bring up my camera again. All right, guys. So I got my jelly roll. I'm going to put this in clamp A, and I'm going to put it where it is in there where I can't pull it out, but I'm not pushing it down super, super far, just enough so that it will draw for me, but not slide across my mat when it goes in. So, see, I tore off the front part of the cardstock here, so I don't see the thickness of it, but I think medium works fine. Medium cardstock works fine. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in, and we're gonna click on the up down arrow to load it, and then we're gonna click on the C Cricut logo. And this is gonna take a minute, guys, for it to draw this on here. Yeah, so it sounds good. So this is going to take a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'll use my cell phone to capture it doing some of the drawing so that you'll have that visual. And then I will come back when we get close to the end so that we can see the reveal together of the completed project. But it's going to take about 15 minutes or so for it to actually draw everything out. But I will be back. All right. All right, guys. All right, guys. So our print is done. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And there is your sign. Isn't that gorgeous? Move this light out of our way so you can see it better. Look at that. Nice and crisp. Picture rules. And I highly recommend anytime you're using your pens, guys, that you go ahead and close them up. Don't let them dry out. Jelly roll. Gelly, jelly roll, number 10. You guys can see that. Got it at Walmart for less than $5. It was $4 and some change. These are classic smooth ink flow. I was trying to see any other name on here. I can tell you that I have seen some on Amazon, but they're a lot more expensive. So Target had these for $4, less than $5, and Walmart also had them for less than $5. So I would recommend that you get them from either Target or Walmart, unless I had an oversight on Amazon. But on Amazon, I've seen $8 and up. Of course, it was more pens than 3, I believe, and then it had a different brand. This just says classic. It doesn't have any other name on here, just classic jelly roll pens. So I would highly recommend that you try this, guys. Once I took this off, and always roll backwards so that your image will stay straight. Just like that. Okay. So I took and I put tape on the back and I put it on my refrigerator and it looks amazing. Okay. So you can use thicker craft board. You can use craft board, whatever you have, you can use to make these signs. My main goal here was to show you, first of all, that it's permanent. It doesn't smear. You saw me just take it out. So it's not smearing or anything like that. And it looks amazing. Okay. So if you want an alternative in Cricut Design Space and using some other color like white, then this is the option that I would highly recommend, that, or the direction that you go in. Okay. I will link in the description which supplier I got this image from on Etsy, but I am in love with this black on white, or white on black, shall I say, the white on the black, like that. It looks really nicely done. But I took and I put 4 pieces of tape, 1 in each corner. I put it on my refrigerator and it's up there perfectly. Okay. So if you want to try it, guys, and you don't have to use this sign, you can try a different sign, but I just wanted to give you an opportunity to go in and create a sign using black and white, because otherwise you would have to just print this off yourself. And, you can't do a print in Cricut Design Space larger than whatever, 6.75 by 9.25. So this is a way that you can do it without having to use vinyl and then weed all those little bitty pieces. And like I said, look how nice that looks. Okay, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut that little edge that would normally be the little perforated end that doesn't belong. So I'll go ahead and I'll take that off. And like I said, I'm going to send this one to my daughter, because she said she's been wanting to make this sign, but she ain't going to make it. I can tell you that right now. She ain't going to make it. And now that her mama made it, she definitely ain't going to make it. Okay. All right, guys. So if you're currently following me on Facebook, guys, thank you so much for the love and support via Facebook. If you are following me on YouTube and you're subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you guys for uh, supporting me via YouTube. If this is your first time seeing me and you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also join us on my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. It is a private group, so it is closed. You must request to join. You must request to join. And what I haven't told people is that eventually I'm going to have a cap on my Facebook group that I won't accept any more members. I'm not going to tell you what that number is, but when I hit it, it's a wrap for my Facebook group. It'll just be us, whoever gets in when they get in. And trust me, it's going to happen, okay? It's going to be a closed group, period. You will not be able to join my Facebook group any longer, okay? So you'll only be able to get my stuff on YouTube. All right, so there we go. There's my sign. I cut off that little edge that would normally be folded in half and torn off. So I took that off. I'm going to have her to put her own tape on. At least she can do that much. And then she'll have a sign that she can post on her refrigerator. So I'm going to read it. Kitchen rules: rise and grind, be grateful, don't flip out, simmer down, roll with it, just beat it, whip it good, life is short, lick the bowl, and last but not least, which was my mom's favorite saying, eat it or starve, because you ain't cooking nothing else. We ain't cooking nothing else. You're going to eat what I cook, or you can go hungry. Go in there and go to bed. All right, guys, that is it. Again, my Facebook group is Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. If you would like to join us, it is a private group, and eventually it will be capped at a number that I will no longer accept people into my Facebook group. Okay? All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And if you haven't told anybody about my channel, I don't know why not. Like, come on, y'all, share the love. Share the love, guys. Share the love. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. Jelly roll number 10, Walmart to Target. Bye.